Hi, I'm Dr. Brenda, and one of the questions I get asked most often, which is such a great tip that I want to share with you today, is how do I improve my energy? How do I increase my energy? You're busy every day, you're going with the kids, you're taking care of things at home, you're maybe busy with a job, and so I want to give you 3 of my most helpful tips and ways to increase and improve your energy. One is simply to drink more water. I know it seems like a simple thing and an easy thing, and it actually really is, but it's the thing that we missed as women most often. Water is so important, and the number one sign of dehydration is fatigue. And all you have to do, what I've noticed with the women that I work with, is they have to have it available. They have to have it accessible. When I get up in the morning, this is the actual bottle that I grab. This is equal to half a liter. So I use half a liter of water right away in the morning when I wake up and I go through my morning routine and I drink that gone. Women should have 2 liters of water a day minimum. If you would like more, then totally have more. Your body will regulate. One of the other complaints I get is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom so often. That only happens at first when you're not used to drinking the water. After a short period of time, your body will regulate and it will be no big deal at all. So I want you to look at the bottle of water and think that's a bottle of energy. So try to improve your water and increase your water intake. Now my second tip, and this sounds kind of simple too, and it really is going to bed about the same time and waking up about the same time every day. Our body works on all these daytime and then these nighttime rhythms. When you go to bed at 9:30 one night and midnight the next, and then 1 a.m. and then 10:30, and you're up at say 7 a.m. and then 9 and then 6:30 a.m., our body has a really hard time regulating to that rhythm. So within probably about a half hour to 45 minutes time, I recommend that you go to bed about that same time every night and wake up about that same time every morning, and you will notice such a big difference. We've all had those mornings where we sleep in a little bit too much and we think, oh, this is great, I'm gonna sleep in, and then you wake up and you feel so groggy, like you can't shake it off. That's because you're out of that normal rhythm of what your body wants to be in. Now, the third tip that I want to share with you is a way you can use nutrition to help increase your energy. I found this smoothie on my way home from France not too long ago, and I'm like, I have to figure out what's in this smoothie and how to make it and share it with you. Because really good nutrition will obviously give you better energy. Do you hit that time of day where you kind of hit a slump in your energy, or maybe you wake up a little bit groggy? That's another time that you can actually use this smoothie. So I call it my favorite green smoothie. And I first start with just a little bit of water in my blender cup. There's going to be 4 green ingredients and 2 yellow ingredients, so that's the way to remember it. I take a big handful of organic spinach. I take maybe 3 or 4 chunks of frozen broccoli, and then I take half of a green apple and cube it up. And then I take an avocado, and now it varies a little bit in what your flavors and what your tastes are, but I take half of an avocado and I take maybe about 1/3 of that avocado. If you take too much, the smoothie gets really, really thick. And if that's what you like, you could do that too. Then my 2 yellow ingredients is I take the juice of half a lemon, so I just squeeze that out to get the juice. And then I cut a banana into about 1/3. So I take a ripe banana, I throw it all in my smoothie, I blend it up in just kind of this handheld smoothie that I have, and this is what it comes out to be. And it's my favorite green smoothie. When I had this smoothie at the airport, I got there and I felt just kind of worn down from my trip, and I was tired, and I got this smoothie, and I don't know what it does to you other than boost your energy. So I really recommend you try it. I think I've had it almost every day since I've gotten home from that trip. So I just wanted to share my tips with you on how to improve and increase your energy. That's 3 of my favorites. I have a whole lot more, so I look forward to sharing more information. See you at the next video.